This is the coolant side of the oil cooler, and there's some pitting from rusting, and enough so that I suspected maybe there might be an issue with the gasket sealing. I think this is a really well-made gasket from Cummins. Looks like a rubber seal around that perimeter there and around these oil ports as well. And I don't think this is 100% the correct gasket for this engine, as this gasket looks like it has an additional oil port here, possibly for newer engines. However, for this application, I think that should work fine. So yesterday I added some silicone to some of the areas where the pitting was, and today I want to take a blade and cut that off, and then if things go well, the silicone will remain in the low parts where that pitting is. This is currently my favorite automotive silicone. This is the gray stuff, and this is the part number for the gasket that I'm using. This is the part of the video where there's not much talking. So it looks like there's silicone that has remained in this area here, so I think that was where there was some pitting. This is the area where I was cutting that silicone off. Looks like there's some left behind there. I was working with some other areas as well. I think this was an area here. And over here, the silicone, some of it may have pulled out of the pitting. Maybe the pitting is not as deep there. And this may also be an area where the gasket will be able to seal that up anyways. And I think the worst area was over here. Not sure this one or this one, which one was worse. But that silicone, it gives the gasket something extra to press against for sealing. So I don't know if I've ever tried to use this technique before for additional sealing. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. Anyways guys, thanks for checking out another video.